Третий класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Крокодилы едят большие камни. Часть вторая. Страница 66, 67, 68. English Starlight 3. Crocodiles eat big stones. Homework part number 2. Page number 66, 67, 68. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 66, 66, at the animal park. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Farm, duck. Sheep, cow. Chicken, goat. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Sing and do. Спой и сделай. Two funny rabbits are hopping away. Hopping away, hopping away. Two funny rabbits are hopping away. Hopping away today. Two funny ducks are flying away today. Two funny sheep are running away today. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Look at the picture again and say yes or no. Посмотрите на картинку еще раз и скажите да или нет. There are 9 animals on the farm. The cow is sleeping. The chicken has got 5 eggs. The goat is drinking water. The sheep are eating. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 67, 67. Exercise number 4. What's wrong with the picture? Read the text and correct the mistakes. Что не сходится с картинкой? Прочтите текст и исправьте ошибки. The answer. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm having a great time on the farm. It's sunny today. I'm wearing my new red shorts. I'm helping Grandma with the sheep. I love it here. See you soon, Ben. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Imagine you are on a farm. Write a letter to your mom and dad. Say what you are doing, what you are wearing. Draw or stick a picture. Представь, что ты находишься на ферме. Напиши письмо маме и папе. Скажи, что ты делаешь, что на тебе надето. Нарисуй или приклей картинку. The answer. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm having a great time on the farm. It's sunny today. I'm wearing my new green shorts. and yellow t-shirt. I'm helping my aunt with the chickens and rabbits. I love it here. See you soon. Line. My dear friend, fun time. Say the following tongue twister as fast as you can. Как можно быстрее произнесите следующую скороговорку. Father Francis from France is frying 5 fresh fish for 5 friends from France. Did you know? Crocodiles eat big stones. The stones help them when they dive. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongues out. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 68. 68. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Find the names of the animals. Найдите названия животных. The answer. Cat, duck. Horse, goat. Chicken, rabbit. Butterfly, sheep. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Which animals are in the pictures? Look and make sentences. Какие животные изображены на картинках? Посмотрите и сопоставьте предложения. In picture, there's a goat. It is drinking some water. In picture B, there's a duck. It is swimming. The answer. In picture A, there's a goat. It is drinking some water. There is also a rabbit. It is hopping. There is also a cat. It is sleeping. There is also a chicken. It is eating. There is also a horse. It is running. In picture B, there's duck. It is swimming. There is also a chicken. It is sleeping. There is also a horse. It is drinking some water. There is also a cat. It is running. There is also a cow. It is eating. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Look at the pictures again and find the differences. Посмотрите еще раз на картинки и найдите отличия. 2 animals that are only in picture A. 2 animals that are only in picture B. The answer. 2 animals that are only in picture A. A rabbit and a goat. 2 animals that are only in picture B. A cow and a duck. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.